All right. I don't think this will have any results, but here, it's recording. Just hold it with the other hand.
Do jumping jacks too. How many things can you do at once?
Meteor core flush, trial A.
Yeah. All right, just give it a little bit. I have no idea how much flow. I don't want to.
It's going to take a while for it to come through.
It really will.
Are you on yet?
Okay, so water is flowing now. That hose was empty, so it'll probably take a minute.
You mean the garden hose was empty?
Yeah, I like drained it.
Oh yeah.
Because it's winter. That's why I've been putting this off, because it's like really.
Yeah, I would have filled the hose up before you put it in your car.
You're right. Smart Matt.
Ah. All right, we're urinating.
And then it stopped.
Whoa, maybe it pushed some junk into the pipe, and now it's gonna maybe we have solid matter on the way.
Oh, you know what happened? I think it pushed the air and just pushed the coolant out, just using the air behind it.
Oh yeah, it's just like the initial surge.
This is still warm, so this hasn't got water yet.
Oh, I feel like there's something chunky in there. Or it's just surging, maybe.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I did see something in there.
There's like some dirt. I mean, look at the color of that.
Yeah, it wasn't that good. I'm gonna let the soap run through it for a while. At this point, I'm gonna let it flow. You probably don't need to hold it. Let's see.
Yeah, it felt like there was solid matter coming through that hose.
I might want to run some more dish soap through it. They said if you want to get hardcore, you can put some calcium lime rust, CLF. CLR. That's what McSalty uses on its stuff, like everything.
Where do you get that stuff?
I think you can get it at hardware store. No biggie.
Oh, you want to keep recording?
No, you can turn it off now. Thanks.
Test successful.